but let's go across to Adi Godrej. Mr. Godrej, we were speaking 24 hours ago and you had emerged from your meeting with the Finance Minister feeling confident that the reforms agenda will continue, and they've made a sixer this evening, 21 some controversial proposals being cleared by Cabinet today.
Yes, I think it's a very good move. I think it will add to the confidence of the nation. It will add to the confidence in the GDP growth of the country. I think both outside and within the country, it will spur investment. So I'm very glad that the Cabinet has cleared a very large number of decisions today.
Mr. Godrej, yesterday when we were speaking, you said that the Finance Minister urged industry to weigh in on opposition, and you said that perhaps as far as some controversial issues were concerned, there seems to have been some breakthrough from the opposition. Insurance, pension, the BJP coming out and saying it will not support it in Parliament. Do you believe that even though Cabinet has cleared it, we will continue to see an uncertain future as far as these crucial reforms are concerned?
Well, the opposition will perhaps demur in the initial stages in supporting some of these bills. I do hope we can change their minds. I do hope that they put political differences behind in the interests of economic reform in the country. So clearly CII will try its best to convince the opposition to support the good measures that have been proposed.
What would be the message that investors are going to take away from this, Mr. Godrej? Because while the government seems to have its heart in the right place in terms of pushing ahead with the crucial reforms agenda, the fact of the matter remains that on the ground, not much can change because all of these bills need to go through Parliament, which is where they do not have the numbers. So materially, do you see investors really changing their mind about India?
Yes, I think so, because one thing is very clear, that the government is supporting reform. That itself is a very good move. And I feel some of these bills will be passed because you can talk to the opposition, you can convince them. Things like the companies bill, for example, is on the lines of the suggestions from the parliamentary committee. I think pension bill was earlier supported by the BJP. In fact, they said
That's
that
right.
Why isn't the government bringing the pension, FDI and pension bill to Parliament? So let's hope that some of these can be passed, and hopefully many of them.
All right, Mr. Godrej, appreciate you joining us here on CNBC TV 18 with your reactions on what's turned out to be a super Thursday for the reform agenda. Ashwin Parikh in Hyderabad, thanks very much for joining us.